what's left, and on we'll go through the.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I want to introduce you to my niece. Her name is, what's your name?
Rushda.
Yeah, her name is Rushda, and today I'm gonna cut her hair. As you can see, she has grown her hair like till here, and I wanted to give her a haircut during this lockdown because she never went to the parlor. Actually, she never went to any barber, any salon to cut her hair. Like, she loves when I cut her hair. Like, ever since she's born, I have been cutting her hair, and today I'll be showing you like how I cut her hair at home. I'll be showing you step by step. So give this video a lots of love, you guys. Give a thumbs up to this video if you like this one, and do subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get started. So before we start, I'm gonna show you what all you're gonna need. You will need a comb like this, and I've got the scissor obviously, and I've got these section clips, and along with this also some water, like spray like this, so that I can just wet her hair with this. So here I'm just wetting her hair before I start the haircut. So here I have just wet her hair. Also I'm just detangling her hair. After this I'll be making sections, so I'll just detangle her hair and then I'll show you. Alright, so after detangling, I'll be just parting her hair from the middle like so. And then I'll be doing section. First section will come like from her ear, like from here. I'll be just doing one section like this. And then I will do a middle section like from here, and I will leave the rest of the hair like that down. So here is the section. I'm just showing you up close so that you could see. I have divided it like into 1, 2, and then I left like these hairs down. Now I'll be showing you what to do next. Now it's kind of dried, so I'll just wet them again. So that it will be easy to cut them. And then I will do one more section in this. And I'll just lock it there. Okay, now this is the section which I'm gonna work on first. So I'll just wet it again, and I'll start cutting this now. what I'm doing is I'm just marking that hair which I cut first, and I'm gonna cut all the other hair like in accordance to that. Like I'll be cutting of the length of that previous hair which I cut. So yeah, that's what I'm doing over here. Just make sure that cuts are equal, and here I'm measuring that. Again, I'm gonna work in smaller sections. As you can see over here, I'm gonna remove small sections from each part, each section which I have made, like so, and I'm gonna work with it. You cannot just grab a bunch of hair and do it. Make sure you take smaller sections and do this. Guys, it's very difficult to make kids sit at one place and be patient like this, and you should perform this only if your kid is patient enough and she or he is able to sit at one place like for a longer time, because it takes a lot of time, like at least an hour or so. So yeah, I kept engaging Rushda right here. I was talking to her. Look at her. I mean, she's yawning. She's bored AF, and I couldn't help it because this, haircut thing takes time. So you must, make sure that your kid is patient enough. And yeah. When I was cutting her hair, like meanwhile she started talking to herself, like you can see over here. I laughed out loud like when I saw this video, and I did not show this to her yet. I'm sure she'll laugh too when she sees this. I mean, this is so funny. Make sure after cutting the hair you take the final measurement like this, because you'll end up having bigger or smaller strands. So just make sure that they are equal. So here I'm just cutting her front hair. I want them to grow bigger, so I am not gonna cut them like any shorter. I'll just trim them a little bit. So that's what I'm doing over here. Alright, this is the amount of hair which was there on the floor. You can see over here. And yeah, after this I'll just blow dry her hair like as usual, and I'll show you the final result. So guys, here is the final haircut. So guys, here is the final result. Do let me know in comments down below how did you like this video and this haircut of my niece. How did you like it? You liked it?
Yes.
Yes? Sure? So I did not cut it a lot, like just length like 2 inches I have cut, but you can see like it's looking very nice right now. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel. Tell them to subscribe to my channel. Just subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah, now she's telling you have to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, give a thumbs up to this video and press the bell icon next to the subscribe button. That means a lot to me, guys. And yeah, take care. I love you guys so much. Bye guys. Say bye.
Bye.